What's up guys, Dave here from iOgrapher. Today we're going to unbox the new iOgrapher ring light. Yay! Super cool product by iOgrapher. It's an 8-inch 24-watt ring light. It's got 3 different color temperatures to it, white, yellow, and warm. And it's just easy to control, plugs into a USB, and it's awesome. So let's unbox it, let's see how you're going to use it. And of course, at the end, we're going to give a couple of them away. So stay tuned for that. All of this today on iOgrapher TV. Okay, so this is the new iOgrapher ring light, the perfect accessory for extra lighting when taking photos, making videos, or live streaming, and more. It comes with some cool accessories. Let's unbox it, let's play around with it and see how it works. So I'm going to open this up here. And here it is in all its glory. It comes with a flexible tripod, very similar to our iOgrapher Flex. So if you don't have the flexible tripod, and here you got one now, these will bend around anything. It comes with a ball head. We'll see how that works in a moment. It comes with a little accessory arm that you can put your phone in the middle if you'd like to. And it comes with the light, and it's a super lightweight light. That's got some really punch to it, which I really love. It's got a little USB plug here that you'll plug into a USB charger, and I'll show you that in a second. And you're good to go. So let's play around with this. Just a quick shout out to Janelle, who designed our packaging for this. She is an amazing designer, and just love working with her. So kudos, Janelle. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is set up your tripod. So we're going to put the ball head on the top here and crank it up so it's nice and tight. And then I'm going to lower this just a little bit, excuse me. There we go, we got a nice little tripod going on. And then this little ball head is going to go on top of the tripod so that you can put your light on it. So we'll just, actually I'll just do this like this. I'll screw this on. And there we go. And so now I'm going to make this go vertical like that so I can screw it on to the light. And I'm going to tighten this nice and tight so don't have any problems with it. Okay, now we're going to screw this into the light. Make sure it's tight. There we go. And I am good to go and start shooting, but I do need some juice here, so we're going to plug it into a portable battery, and you can see it's on now right here. So I just press the on button to turn it on. But before I do that, so now you could mount this onto the top of your iOgrapher case if you'd like to have it portable, and you would just need to get either one of the ball heads that we sell, or maybe you have your own, or we also have this action accessory pack that comes with a GoPro head, but has this little shoe adapter. So you would put that on top of your case. And let me see if I can unscrew it right here. It's a little tight. So you would put this on top of your case like so. And then you would screw the light into the top of that. Okay, so now I've got this plugged in. Let me just turn it to the side a little bit, and we will try and turn it on. So I'm going to press this one time, and there goes the light. And this is a low, so it's got plus and minus buttons, so I'm going to minus it a little bit. So as you can see, it's getting lower and lower. And then in the middle here is a switcher, so I can now switch it to a nice cool light. This is a warm light, and this is a middle light. I want to say it goes from the ranges of 3200 Kelvin up to 5600 Kelvin. So it would be, warm. So this would be your warmer light right here. And then this is a middle range, and then that's your bright white light, which would be in the 5600 Kelvin range, which is probably too geeky for you to even care about. And then let me just crank it up a little bit, this white light. You can kind of see how bright it is. And there you go, you see right through there. And this is super cool to give you a nice, it's got a diffuser on it. So now you can have this nice light shining at you without being too spotty and whatnot. And then you would put your phone, you can screw this on right here. And we'll just screw this on. And then now you just bend it forward and your phone would fit in here and you'd be able to film with your phone in it like that. So I'm gonna go and test it in a little dark area and we'll see what it looks like. And then we'll come back and talk some more about it. So let's test this out. Okay, so now I've got this in front of me. I've got a wide angle lens on it on my iPhone XS Max. I've got it in the little clip there. The ring light is not on. Yes, you can probably see the studio lights further in the background. In fact, it's, where is it, right there? So that's my big light over there, my main light that lights up everything. And other than that, there's nothing else on, but you can imagine if you were in a darker area, you know, you would want some more light, especially you lady folk that like the nice soft light. So I'm gonna turn this on now. Let's turn it on. And there right away you can see that I've got more light on me, and I'm going to change the color temperature. So this is a warmer light, and we'll crank it up a little bit. So there, I've got some really nice warm light. I'll take my glasses off because it keeps going into it. But now I've got this nice color on me now. This looks great to me. And let me see, let me just show you off. So that's off. And this is on, ta-da! And then we'll try some of the cooler lights. Let's just go to this one next. So now you can see I've got more whitish kind of colors. Of course, it goes with my gray hair here. But I've got that white hue going on. And then this is a middle range light that I think you guys would love. So whatever your flavor is of lighting, I kind of like this warm light on myself personally, especially if my walls are tan and stuff like that. I think it looks really cool. So it's got 3 different light temperatures. It's got 4 levels of light. So you can go from, you know, very low, which we'll go down right now. Let's go down. Actually, it's got more than that. Let's see how many it has. That's just at 0, or 1, I should say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's got 10 levels of light. So it's perfect for any type of situation you would need it. Even if you had a couple of these around you to really bring in light to your backlight and all kinds of stuff. I mean, they're $50 each. So I love this. I think it's a super portable light ability. Now you do, like I said, you have to plug it into something like this, which, you know, no big deal. You can get portable batteries all the time. Plug it into your computer. If you're doing some kind of a Facebook Live and your computer's in front of me, just plug right into that. So it's a really nice light, especially if you like to get up and close and personal. You want some nice soft light around you, and it works great. Like I said, you can also mount it on top of the iOgrapher using either a ball head mount or the action kit that we sell, action accessories, I'm sorry, comes with a GoPro mount and whatnot, but it also has a shoe mount that will screw on top that you can screw your light on here. I'm just gonna kind of sit here for a while and just be into myself because I really like the light now. And anyway, this is amazing. I love it. So I'm gonna ask you guys, I'm gonna close out from here because the light's too good. But I hope you like this light. Tell me if you do in the comments. I'm gonna pick 2 of you to give these away to, and I would love if you shared your use of it as well when you get them, because I just love to get some photos of other people using this. We had tons of emails from people out there asking for a smaller ring light, and so this is our answer to it, and we hope you really like it. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and hit the bell when you're done so that you can be alerted for new videos. I'm Dave Basulto. Thank you so much. I am out of here.